calmed down now. He was just mental for a couple of minutes. We didn't get out yesterday, so he's got a lot of energy to get rid of. Thank you, sunshine. Hey. What was he sniffing? I think, but I'm not going to risk it immediately until I've been every part of it, but I think the killing field are finally free of sheep. So I might be able to let Bruce off. Though I might do it later once he's got rid of some of his energy, so he just doesn't disappear chasing deer or whatever. Well, the sheep are down there. No off lead for Brucey. I think he smells moles though. Come on Bruce, let's get some moles. Did he get it? Nope. Come on, we'll go walk around this way. Did he get? Did he get? But at least that's definitely not going to be a badger. Did he get it? It's gone. It's gone. Come on, this way. It's like, not sure. Come on. Good boy. Poor lad must be starving as well. He didn't have his breakfast meal this morning. He was too keen to come out. He ended up a bit mental this morning. I think he thought we were going to stay in again. And I was in my extension having a coffee and a cigarette. And he came in and he was shivering and shaking with, you know, mental upsetness. So I switched the mood quite quickly and started acting all giddy and bouncing around and going, we're going to go looking for moles. And we did. He's a good boy. Right, we've done a good lap and meander and zigzag. No moles were harmed in the making of this film. Let's go and get your biscuits, Bruce. And I'm going to have another coffee and a chocolate croissant. So that Murder Inc. was wondering why I call it the Killing Field. Or Killing Fields, because there's two. I did tell him in the comments, but I'll just tell other people in case they were wondering why the heck I call it the Killing Fields. Well, he kills loads of stuff in there. But it's where he made his first kill of a pheasant right down past where the sheep are, down towards the bushes, way past them oak trees. And he came out of the bushes with a pheasant in his gob. And then since then I've just called it the Killing Field. And he gets loads of moles in there. I don't think he's ever actually had another bird in there. He's chased hares. Once I was around that part and a hare darted up there. I was actually with Jess as well, the little Jack Russell from the farm, and they both went after it. Bruce was a little bit faster than a tiny Jack Russell though, weren't you, Bruce? She's quick for a little girl, but she ain't that quick. Get it? Get it? Is it birds? Is it hares? Is it a badger? Better not be a badger. He's all covered in fluff. Oh, it's a bird! We got a kill. better kill it properly then. Or have you killed it already? No, it's moving, it's moving. Kill it! Aren't we evil?